What them a go do ya now? No link on the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. No link.
Well, fix it when you can see. You can see.
Let's go.
Guys, may I ask you to please share that live here? Please share it. I have some really important things to talk about. So may I ask you to please share that live here. Please share it to as many people as possible, as you can. Just share it. Please share that live here. Please share this live. Me have one stalker, somebody will not leave me alone. I got the police station, they are not helping me.
We went to the Mandeville police station. I am her mom.
And they're not helping me.
We just came from Mandeville police station, right?
Just come from Mandeville police station.
And when we went to Mandeville police station, right? The police are letting us know that it's basically nothing, right? And they're saying somebody in Barbados cannot do my daughter anything in Jamaica.
This is serious, guys.
This is very serious.
The person has threatened my life.
After the person, somebody called and said to my daughter that, listen, this person is looking for a hitman in Jamaica to take you out. You understand? And we're trying to let the police in Mandeville police station know what's going on, and they are saying that it's nothing. Somebody in Barbados cannot do you nothing. And I'm saying to the Minister of Security and whoever is hearing us, this is the first incident I have had with police run-ins. Me never understand when people are talking about police what they mean. You understand? And this is why people have to take matter into them own and move to something. Let me tell them. You see, if anything happened to my daughter, people on the live want to share this as much as I can share it. You see, if anything happened to my daughter, I'm going to become Jamaica's first fucking serial killer. You hear me tell you? Me, I'm going to become Jamaica's first woman serial killer. If anything happened to my daughter, because nobody seems to be listening and nobody seems to be understanding what we're talking about. If you're there with one man, right, and the man give you money, right, and the man want control everything. Junior, put back something we can hear, because people can see what me talk about. And the man give you money, and the man fire whatever. Me realize that the guy is controlling and he's psychotic. If you understand what I am saying.
Hold on, let me talk. This person has threatened my life. This is not if you take joke. This is not if nobody laugh over. This is not no joke time. Because every time something, hold on, mommy. Every time something serious happen on the internet, people on take it for joke, on share it, on do all kind of foolishness. This is important. I have a stalker. Me have messages. Me have voice notes. Me have everything. I have all our proof. I have all different kind of him read. The guy share nude pictures of me. Him do all kind of things. All kind of things.
You this is people important. In Barbados to prove send people are supposed to hurt you.
Him send all people. When I was in Barbados, this guy sent people to my home. And also himself show up at my home.
The guy will come, guys saying cannot.
I did report it to the police. The police done business. Me report it. Oh no, so the police not business. I reported it to the police and them.
We just come from the police station, you know. We just come from the police station. They make we know say. They make we know say. Well, let me talk to them. They make we know say. Right? I don't know that. But me I tell you no. Listen what me I tell you say. If anybody earn my picnic, me I become Jamaica first woman serial killer. Oh no, listen what me a fucking telling us say. Alright.
People, we need your help to share this live. I'm going to post it on my phone. I'm also going to do a full video. I'm going to post a picture of who the person is. I'm going to talk in details, everything what happened. I have proof. I have messages. I have voice messages. I I have every single thing. Me got the police station a while ago, the Mandeville police station a while ago, and they don't care. Them no want to do nothing about it. They don't care. I called the Bajan police station because me know which part him live. So I called the police station and they told me that I can take out a restraining order against him when I am in the country. Now, you see why we have so much crime in our country and why so much things are here.
Why we have so much crime here?
Imagine that I am in need of a police assistant. Me bring proof to you. And I let me come to you and I talk about things. I brought you proof. And you have to look for me and tell me, say, there is nothing you can do because it is not a big deal and you know, important. That the police are telling me, you know, after me bring this policeman, even while I was at the police station, this person call on my phone and me show the police say I call me from an unknown number, and the policeman are gonna make me know say it is not a big deal. Some if you stay at me yard, I'm afraid, I'm not go nowhere, I'm not talk to nobody, I'm just paranoid. I'm just paranoid every day of my life, and that's it.
So you see why certain things are happening in our country, and then I go jump now and want to hear anything, want to hear next person side of story, and hear police them side of story. And at first me ever from me have sense realize that when people are talk say she is my daughter. First from me hear people are talk about police, me ever experience it with them. Even though when police was at me here, even though me didn't know so them and nobody can offer them a dance and they have bad man and for them come, it's obviously they hurt by woman before. You understand how they have some issues with female, and you can jump on it like a bitch and eat and talk foolishness. I am saying somebody needs to take up this in honors. You're going to become Jamaica's first woman serial killer.
History, have any?
Me talk to them about it. Me go over there. I know whoever it is, damn or whatever. Me understand all of the restrictions and everything. I totally understand. That is why I called both of them. I call the Bajan police and I call the Jamaican police. You know why? Because me no want nobody to come do me nothing and then uno see man never talk, so me never talk. This person has been stalking me from, me don't even know what to say. Me don't even know what to say. I am so disgusted by this whole system. Me disgusted, I'm sick to my stomach. And that policeman that today will deal with me the way he deal with me. I hope you don't have a daughter. I hope you don't have a child. I hope you don't have no picnic. I hope you not have no picnic. I hope you not have no picnic. I'm disgusted and I'm ashamed.
Ugly boy, we're looking policeman from Mandeville police station. We say I'm a super or whatever. The big ugly
in
looking
CIB and him claim say I'm a superintendent.
Ugly policeman. We go upstairs and talk to the big ugly man that we're looking man that we're face coffee and have a batty wall. Him me talk to you, Mr. Shithouse. Remember, so me tell you, say if the boy that me pick anything now go work like how it a go.
It not go work. Me go to this man, me have proof. Me sit down. People not like me go to the man and just talk a bag of things. And that's the part where burn me. Me not go to him and me not just go to him and talk a bag of things. Me go and me talk to the man calm. Me have no ends of proof in my phone. Me have evidence the boy leak. Me leak. The guy leak naked pictures and all kind of things, and me explain to the officer. See the big stinking man here. But that's not nothing. That's not nothing.
Me tell you, she should record the conversation. It is my fault. You should record the conversation with your police.
I should have recorded the conversation.
You should record the conversation with your big dirty stinking man.
The man, for all that girl them out there, people are waste where stalk you know. Don't bother go police station because the police them say if people are stalk you is nothing and nothing that. So if somebody is stalking, nobody waste the time go to station because the police them said it is nothing if somebody is stalking. I'm going to post it up, I'm going to do a video, I'm going to post the guy a picture, I'm going to expose him. When I tell me some have proof, I mean some in at the police station and the guy call me from unknown number. All me I say, officer look, see the guy call me. The man wouldn't even take the phone, no. I have proof. Me just come from over the station. Look on the timestamp on my phone. See it there? Look on it. It is 2:46 and me just come from over the station. Look on my phone. 2:10. I was standing in front of the police officer and I show him, said the man call me phone. The policeman wouldn't even say, let me take the phone and answer the phone. The police officer in Mandeville police station told me that if somebody is stalking you, it is nothing. I am disgusted by Uno.
No, he said that is not stalking. That is not stalking.
The man said
if it's not physical, it's not stalking.
This person,
if it's not physical, it's not stalking. That's what the piece of shit said.
This person has attempted to pay someone to harm me, and the person showed up at my house and told me that they could not go through with it. This person has also contacted my travel agent trying to get information on me. Now, where part me live and everything. Me go to the police them over Mandeville police station. Me disgusted out now. Uno sick me stomach. I know me see why people hate to know and people don't like you know. Uno sick me stomach and a big stinking policeman there today. I hope you don't have no picnic and I hope me see up on the news. Me don't like you. Sick me stomach. And this one always I do. When people come to you and I tell you no things, you sit down on a high horse or whatever kind of cock you sit down pan. You do no big belly.
I ask him is a big stinking batty wall.
You sit down on a high horse and look on people and talk all kind of foolishness. The man are gonna make me know so when somebody is stalking you, it is nothing. So if you sit down and make somebody come hurt me, and them the same drunkard over station or go up and news go tell lie, so me never talk about it and so me never come over there because I say it's drunk. Then lie and stay, you know. When nothing happen, the drunk them over police over a station tell lies and nobody never tell them nothing. Uno sick my stomach. Uno sick my stomach. And that's how we have so much crime in our country. Because if you know that doing the job, then me wouldn't have to depend on my phone and make live right now.
To them, prove it, that's why we have some people always tell me, you know, people were in a problem always.
The police them don't do nothing.
Never feel it till today. To them, feel the anxiety police them. To them, feel the anxiety hungry police them over Mandeville police station. The dirty, nasty, hungry police them over Mandeville police station. To them, feel the anxiety them.
You know, full of shit like crap. You know, sick my stomach. I go in front of this big stinking man and I don't care who wants to me disrespect you. I don't have no respect for you. Because me as a young girl, I come in front of you. And you can't tell me say you don't have picnic. Me as a young girl, I come in front of you, I have proof. I just sit down in front of you and make up a bag of things and I talk. I come in front of you and even while I sit down in front of you, this man I call on my phone. I come in front of you and I tell them the situation and I go look for me and tell me say that is nothing. So if I sit down and make somebody come kill me or when things happen now, you see me go tell a bag of lie and say
we never report it.
We never report it. The people them don't even take a statement from me. Nothing. Them don't take a, you know, believe me, say them don't take a statement. The people them don't take a statement. Them not ask me where me name. They don't ask me where me come from. They don't ask me nothing. All the man make me do is sit down and tell him my story and I show him my phone and them and there. When me done talk, when me done waste my breath, this stinking dirty man look at me and I go tell me say that is nothing. When somebody is stalking you, that is nothing. This man has stalked me. Start me, the man text down my family them. Him send out nude picture of me. Him attempt to hire people if it hurts me. Me have all of the proof in my phone. The man go as far as to even call me travel agent. Because me travel, him go as far as to even call me travel agent to get information for me. Wanna tell me why them police here so big and dirty? Why them so corrupt? People say them don't like who don't know. People say them hate who don't know. Wanna jump up and talk about people hate to for not doing no job. Wanna full of shit. I not like none of uno. Me see none of fire. I wouldn't spit for uno. Me not like none of uno. Me don't like none of uno. Me not like none of uno. People may ask uno. To share the live here. Share the live here and I'm going to save it. And at the Mandeville police station, the Mandeville police, the matter. I don't like that big stinking man that I talk to. And you can say, come in, you probably going to see the live here. You can probably say that I am disrespecting you, but you have not earned my respect. You not earned my respect. You not earned my respect as a big man. You not earned my respect as a police. You are full of shit. Me a young girl, I'm come to you, want to tell us me in a danger. Me show you proof. Me sit down and me tell you what I want and you look me in my face and tell me say that is nothing. You sick my stomach. You sick my stomach. I'm hope you don't have no pitney. And if you do, shame on you. If you have children, shame on you. Bad to bad, me not lie. Me call the Bajan police them. I called them. And they weren't. We have had some, them never as bad. Bad to bad, them tell me, so me can take out restraining order. And them say them go over my workplace and them stuff there. My own country. When make me feel like shit. My own country. Me never take my own country that me feel like shit. So no disgust me. Uno disgust me. Me not like uno. Uno police over Mandeville police station. The man me talk to today, that big belly man. That big belly terrible looking man. You disgust me. And if you have children, especially if you have a daughter, shame on you. Me I call shame on you. Shame on you. Shame on you. And if you were a man, or if that anybody of any sort of anything, I wouldn't have to dip on my life right now. I ask people for help because I don't want nothing to do me. If I'm not doing the job over there, I wouldn't have to dip on my life right now. I ask people for help me. I'm not full of shit like what. People may ask me please for share the live here, and I'm going to save it.
Jano. Bless up on yourself, my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself. Attack. Oh my world, oh my precious New Link. People, that one is a big case for anger. To be honest, for me, New Link right now, it's everyone. Can you know what, people? New Link is a man who deal with truth and reality. Zine. And this video was sent to me by this female people. You understand? Yeah, the same female in the video and thing who have been the problem which she's claimed is all a stalker who a stalker, and she got them under the police and them failed to do them work, and you understand? She explained what I go on. And my part now, as she asked for the video to be shared, she sent it to me, asked, and I watch the video, people, and then I decide, alright, yeah, it fit. And it can be shared, and I can do a little reaction towards it and give my point and my views towards the whole thing. Alright. First of all, I'm not going to deal with this thing as realistic as I can be, my viewers and subscribers. What I'm really looking forward to, what I did really want to hear is the real connection with she and this man that brought him to be the stalker against her. You understand? Which I didn't really hear. At the first part when the mom was spoken, I hear she mentioned something about money. A man may spend money on this and that, but when you know what I mean, like try to control until you decide to leave and this is so. I figure out from what the mother is saying now, there was a relationship between she and the man. And the man, like him invest some money, you know what I mean, spend some money with her while they're together. But in the end, as what the mommy say, he's controlling and thing. You know, me I work off for me hearing of people. And so then she decides that she going to make a move. And they get me as a people, maybe the man want to put on a lip on her, I don't know, because I never heard that part. But I'm just working off what the mama said. See? Alright. So be so done. Basically, she did at Jamaica right now as Tony Cancer because she got Mandeville police station make a report. And based on the report, I'm going to do that little part there. Well, to be honest, I think the police could anger this situation a little better, right? Even if they can't really do to the man their Barbados, but what, as according to what she said, what them tell her, say, you know what I mean? No, she should deal it better. Where even take this man number, you understand? Ask this female where she live. You get me? I say if somebody, you know, a man say man, I a hitman try to, you know, at times we go PR us a visit and then something. They're not sure no care about Jamaican citizens more. You get me? I say so Uno could have handled this situation better. Even though the man there Barbados and maybe Uno can go over there, but still protect Uno Jamaican citizens while they're at home. Rooster bill the man right now, I'm not ready for you. See? So, in the end, people, that part settled. Now, I'm gonna deal with the man now. Well, basically, Mr. Barbadian, right? That's what they call the Barbados, them are Bajan, yeah, Mr. Bajan. What I'm gonna say to you is, right? You and this female, so they have a relationship together. use it her. You can say she's a very beautiful female, very nice, even though some people feel offensive when I'm saying beautiful. Everyone is beautiful, okay? She's a very beautiful female, very nice. And we could hear a different story, people, to be honest. We could hear say a Jamaican female was killed in Barbados, you understand, by whoever. Or we say a Jamaican missing in Barbados. Or we say a Jamaican female was killed in Mandeville. So we could hear them something there. But no, by the grace of God, we not hear that. Thanks be to God. Well, what we are hearing now, people, is basically she's home. Even when she over there in Barbados, she was being stalked by this man. As me tell you, listen, you hear her mommy say about man spend money. And what me I gonna say to Mr. Beja now, you invest money in this female, right? You and her was together. You and her was sleeping together, enjoying life together, doing the things together because basically you have nude pics and all of them something. So basically things did good. In the end, this female decides say, no matter what, she decided to let go because number one, you don't marry to her, it's a girlfriend. And even if you do marry people do marry and they divorce. I understand the relationship now go good and then decide to split. What you can do. You know what I mean? Because in the end, people, everybody got their life to live and everybody decide on what they want. What we all need to understand nowadays is, and we fail to understand, relationship is like a gamble. See? It's like a 50-50 chance of taking. And it's something just like how you buy a car, people. A second-hand car. And you don't know the full details about the car. You get a mechanic to check the car, but still yet the mechanic check it and he say good people. And when it comes to boom, maybe 2 months, 3 months will be a problem. It start here. You lose the money, right? You keep a party, right? And you invest this bag of money in the party, but it's a gamble because you don't know if rain are going to fall, you don't know if police are come shut it down early, you don't know what happened, you don't know if the people are really are going to come because you know you may advertise the party, you don't know, so it's a gamble. See? Same goes to relationship. You with a woman, she look good, she look nice, you spend your money, you enjoy it. When you go in the bed, you suck aside, and you put in, you fling it down, you drop it this side, you cock it out, and drop it, and you eat it out and there's something there, right? You enjoy it. In the end, things now go good, the female decide to make a move and thing. Then you maybe a claim so now she gone with the money because you spend a bag of money, or what she take your money, or what she do, she rob you, she thief, she steal from you, which, you know, I never heard she say that, which, me don't love to hear the man film side of story to you, people, to be honest, me don't love if you could reach out to me personally. You understand, say, nobody there in a Barbados and can reach out to me, I know the man, make you reach out to me to come on here inside, to see, in the end, people, what me want to know, the fullest, right? If so be the case, and you do invest while I was enjoying it and she decided she want left because she's not comfortable no more. Even if she find the next man, come on. So be the case. Let few man make him go on. Continue again. Leave her, make she go. And when we want to send a message to our female, at times being, we see where it happens, where man do involve with woman, and in the end and in the whole process, things we go around where, you know what I mean, these men do love one of them, do fall for one, but deep inside, one don't love them, or maybe I take the money and I take this, but sometimes as me I tell her, when I say to the man, you know, so the man invest, but it's a risk you all taking with your life. Because remember me telling you, know, you could have heard say, a Jamaican female was killed in Barbados. You could have heard say a Jamaican female is missing in Barbados, or you could have heard say a Jamaican female was murdered in Mandeville, Jamaica or Jamaica. So, ladies out there, and to this female, you all have to be careful. See, not everything sometimes glitter is gold. Remember that. Sometimes, you know, people, I may tell people this over and over. You see, sometimes the best relationship we could ever find is to find somebody with tone up on this level, or this person have ambition and they're willing to work and achieve and strive for better. But you see, sometimes them people who say with this, we have it already and this and that. No go there, so. You have to look on problem, you have to look on demons, you have to look on one heap or something. So avoid this. So. Zine, avoid it. So, what we just want, people, and everybody knows, you have to just be careful. Zine, have to be careful. And for this female, I wish you all the best. Meaning, I wish all protection from Jah and guidance. And I hope these police do rethink and find you and try to help you You understand? And protect. And the Bajan police, them I hope they can do what the necessary thing they can do. For this man stalking and sending checks, they might get hit, man, because that not sound good. Zane, that's a real threat and that's serious. Because it's simple people, a man can they find and simple people for money and get somebody snap out of Jamaica. It's simple something. We know that. Zane? So people, I just wish her the best. And as I say, anybody in a Barbados who know the man and you know, we don't love fear side to know people because there's two sides to the story. But in the end, people, we are working on the female side now. And that's a new link I deal with it. Zane? So you don't know the thing of viewers and subscribers. It's a really long video. You don't know new link. You can't tell. And when I do live, I do them long vlog, I know people, to be honest. Only when I do live. But her part was really long and I can't, you know, new link. But I'm not going to say no. Give my views towards the people. I'm mad. Me not left my viewers and subscribers dry. So I have to put my part to it, people. So in the end, viewers and subscribers, just big up on the cell, man, and people. I just love you and respect and stay blessed and stay great. And remember to do subscribe. And when I don't subscribe, people, hit that notification bell icon says new link, drop a video, you will get them. Follow me on Instagram, newlink_production official, on Facebook, New Link Production, and Twitter, New Link Production. Peace out and respect. And remember, people, get the New Link shirt, them, attack them bad, them ablaze. And people, please I look some contribution. New Link back to school treat. Please support the thing and respect to everyone who support already. Attack them. Peace out. Big up.